In this exercise, we're going to teach you how to run or schedule a cron job. A cron job is actually a scheduled task. There are altogether 6 entries you need to specify in a cron job. You can do a man 5 cron tab. You can see that these are the fields that you need to specify in the cron entries. Type Q to quit from the man pages. To edit the cron entry, you can specify the editor is equal to nano and do a Crontab minus E to edit. You should get a blank screen, but I have pre-written in the cron entries. The hex sign are remarks, so these lines won't be run. So as you can see, there are altogether 6 fields. You can see there are 5 stars. These are the 5 fields, and the last field is the action field to be done. Now there's a space between each star. What does each of these fields means? The first field is the minute field, the first star that you see. You specify every minute. The second star you see here is the field hour. You specify every hour. The third field is the day of month. Can be from 1st to 31st of the month. The fourth is the month, which is every month. And the last asterisk field you see is the day of the week, which is from Monday to Sunday. 1 stands for Monday, 2 stands for Tuesday, and so on and so forth. 6 stands for Saturday, 0 or 7 stands for Sunday. In this case, I'm running the action called echo. This is a cron job running at date, which is the command. And this double arrow sign is to append the result of this statement into the file called /tmp/cron.txt. So every minute, this statement together with the date of command, the result of the date command, will be appended into this file /tmp/cron.txt. Ctrl X to save the cron job. Now if you do a Crontab minus L, you should be able to list down what is the current cron entry, which is there's only one here. Those in hex sign are comments. Let's take a look at the content of tmp/cron.txt. More on /tmp/cron.txt. As you can see that the statement is being appended into the file every minute. 8:48, 8:49, 8:50, so on and so forth. If you would like to create a second cron entry, simply call the command again. Editor equal to nano. Crontab minus E is to edit. You can specify under minutes. Say for example, if you like to reboot the server at 12 midnight every day, you can specify 0 for minute, 0 for 0 hours, which is 12 midnight, and the rest of the field is every day. You can leave it as asterisk, and you can specify the action or the command reboot. Now, if you like to run run certain action, maybe on the 1st and the 15th of each month, you can specify. And the minute you can put asterisk, the hour you can put asterisk, the day of the month you can put 1st, 15, which means the 1st and the 15th of each month you can put asterisk, day of week you can put asterisk. Maybe you can say echo be vegetarian. Another example, say Monday to Friday, you would like to be reminded to go for classes, you can specify the minute asterisk, the hour asterisk, the day of the month asterisk, the month asterisk, the day of the month you can specify Monday dash 5 means Monday to Friday, echo go to class. Or you like to be reminded to relax on weekend, you can specify asterisk for a minute, asterisk for the rest of the field until the day of the week. You can put Saturday or Sunday, which is the weekend, echo enjoy your weekend. If you'd like to do a backup or run the backup script every 15 minutes, you can in fact put asterisk per 15 minutes. That means every 15 minutes of every hours, every day, every month, run the backup script called backup.sh. You can save the file, Ctrl X, yes. Do a Crontab -L, and you can list the cron job currently. If you like to disable a cron job temporarily, simply just put a hex sign in front of the cron job. X, save. Whichever line that begins with the hex sign is a command line and will not be executed. You can also remove the cron entry totally by doing a cron tab -R. This will remove every entry in the cron jobs. We shall not do that. If you like to deny a certain user from running cron job, you can actually edit a file called etc cron.deny. In here, you can specify which user you would like to disable from running the cron job. For example, there's a user called user in this system, which I'll not like it to run a cron job. Save the file. Now what happens if this user tries to run a cron job? Okay, let me switch user to the user itself. Okay, now I'm currently user. If I try to run a cron job, editor equal to nano crontab -E, you'll get the error message that user is not allowed to run this cron job. Exit to get it out from the user. This is the end of the demo session.